Ladies and gentlemen, aviation enthusiasts and curious minds alike, welcome to the thrilling mini-series that will take you soaring through the skies called What Makes This Plane Great. In this episode, we're going to talk about the American twin-engine fighter, the Northrop P-61 Black Widow. So what makes this late war fighter great? Well, despite not being as fast as similar aircraft like the de Havilland Mosquito and Messerschmitt Me-410, it was a great performing and handling aircraft that even on one engine, you could fly it just like a single engine fighter. While most of these successful night fighting aircraft in the war, like the Messerschmitt Bf-110 and Bristol Beaufighter, were just daylight aircraft fitted with radar, another great thing about the P-61 Black Widow was that it was one of few aircraft in the Second World War that was actually built for night fighting. Its jet black paint over the bare metal made it nearly invisible to ground-based searchlights. The P-61 was fitted with airborne intercept radar in the nose and remote-controlled turrets, which could be aimed and fired by either a gunner or radio operator, so it was also a rather technically advanced aircraft. As well as being a great performing night fighting aircraft fitted with some advanced technology, like most other great planes of World War II, the P-61 was also a well-armed aircraft, with four 20mm cannons in the ventral fuselage and four 50 caliber machine guns in the remotely operated upper turret, plus they could carry bombs and rockets. And another great thing I'll mention about the Black Widow was that it saw combat in every theatre of World War II to varying degrees. While the P-61 will always be known as a night fighter, scoring kills against different single and multi-engine German and Japanese aircraft, P-61 Black Widows were also used during the day and in ground attack missions, where the P-61's guns proved effective against enemy supply lines, vehicles and even German locomotives, and they even scored kills against V-1 Doodlebugs. Another great fact about the P-61 Black Widow is that it's said that one scored the final two aerial kills of the Second World War when one shot down two Japanese kamikazes. One of the last great things I could think of to say about the P-61 was that they were used for different roles after the war until the early to mid-50s, which included weather research and ejection seat experiments. And that's it for this thrilling journey through the skies. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my aviation content, etc. Check out the two videos at the end, all my CD reviews, or even the playlists I've created. Cheers.